A federal appeals court on Tuesday ruled that Texas hospitals and doctors are not required to perform abortions under a long-standing national emergency care law, dealing a blow. White House's strategy ensure access procedure after Supreme Court overturned Constitution. Abortion rights. In 2022, the U.S. Court Appeals for Fifth Circuit concluded that federal law does not mandate any specific type of medical treatment, let alone abortion, and the Biden administration's interpretation emergency medical treatment and Labor Act was flawed. The court added that the law does not regulate the practice of medicine. The three-judge panel also faulted the Biden administration's process for issuing emergency care guidance, saying federal officials did not go through the proper rulemaking process when ministration instructed healthcare providers that they would be protected by EMTALA if they believed an abortion was occurring medically necessary. The panel also said federal emergency care law does not directly conflict with the nearly complete abortion ban in effect in Texas, which was state's Republican lawmakers and includes exceptions for medical emergencies. The White House federal health officials invoked the 1986 EMTALA law, which requires hospitals and doctors to treat health emergencies or risk fines. Civil lawsuits blacklisting from federal healthcare programs, following the Supreme Court's June 2022 decision striking it down. It eliminated the national right to abortion and led to nearly 24 state bans on the procedure. The Biden administration is currently dealing with several cases, including the Texas case, that are expected to set a precedent on whether the emergency care law applies to access abortion. On Tuesday night, Department of Health and Human Services referred questions to the White House, but White House declined to comment. Abortion rights advocates in Texas and across the country condemned the decision, saying it signaled that women were being ignored in life-threatening pregnancy situations. They also criticized Fifth Circuit, which is considered one of the most conservative courts in country. His panels have repeatedly sided with anti-abortion advocates. Extremely troubling decision from the fifth round, wrote Democrat Rochelle Garza, who is running for Texas Attorney General in 2022 and currently serves on the U.S. Civil Rights Commission. Hospitals and doctors should not have their hands tied when trying to provide life-saving care to their patients. Sen. Patty Murray, who helped create Women's Health Protection Act, a bill that would guarantee access to abortion across the country, told Washington Post that every American should be outraged. Republican efforts to oppose abortion. The bottom line is we need a pro-choice majority in Congress that will restore Roe, every woman's right to an abortion, and prevent politicians from interfering with private healthcare decisions should be made by women, their doctors, Murray added.